Hello everyone, this is MT here, and this is channel update number 23. In this update, I'd just like to quickly give you my situation report with regards to COVID-19, a brand new camera that I'd like to show to you guys, and my ideas of how to expand my network. So start out with my sitrep, because since the number of cases and deaths in the UK linked to COVID-19 has risen dramatically over the last few days and weeks, it is very likely that the lockdown that's currently in place won't be lifted until later in the summer, but my hopes it would at least be middle of June or early July at least. But it is very likely that I won't be able to have the chance to do a new train spotting or plane spotting film at any location until that time. In the meantime though, I have at least been given some thoughts of how to keep putting my editing software to some good use. So at the moment, I'm currently working on some montages from previous films and just linked it on to specific subjects. So link videos on like say the East Midlands HSTs that will be going soon, the new Nova fleet from TPE, and perhaps a completion montage film of the heavy airliners that have been captured last year. So expect that they'll come onto my main channel over the next few days. But here's a challenge though for you folks. If you can at least get my channel up to 6,000 views, I'll also be doing and uploading my first ever Trains at Speed compilation. So it will be great if you can do so. Moving on. The new camera I'd like to show to you guys that I just bought a few days ago is the brand new GoPro Hero8, and I'm proud of achieving getting this because it's featuring a lot more technology and features on it that wasn't possible in the GoPro Hero4. So simply as that hyper smoothness, it will give a huge advantage over it. Plus, other features like the time warp will make my films even more dramatically enjoyable to watch. So. But I'm going to start with doing some sample shots just to get the feel of this camera and to try it out in the environment around me. Meanwhile, as it comes with my network, since I want to expand myself onto other social media platforms other than Flickr and Twitter, which I'm currently using, I wanted to start soon create myself my own Facebook page that will be linked up to my own account, so whenever you can't find my films on YouTube by just typing into the search box, you can go to my Facebook page and you can find the link there. Plus, I also do any small sample shots I do with the new GoPro or any other camera, like say on my phone. I want to upload it to my own Instagram page that I'm also proposing. Plus, since I'm now getting into the point in my final year at university, I want to upload my already professional films that I've already got on my YouTube channel, but onto other video media platforms, like say Vimeo, since that is pretty much a professional media platform, and therefore it would get attracted some of the film production companies that would like to hire me. But I'm only having cross fingers on that really. So that's pretty much all for now, folks. So for the time being now, just make sure to try to keep yourself home to protect the NHS and to save lives. But of course, take care of yourselves. Anyway, but don't forget, of course, to subscribe to my channel for more content to come. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this, and write down in the comment section that whatever ideas that you want me to do with my previous films that I want to try and create new ones with it. And it was just write out something in the comments that would get me interested and that I should do. So I'll see you around, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you folks very soon. Peace.